Hi, EduJob360 welcomes you to explore how AI revolutionizes developer roles. The future of coding is shifting fast. AI tools now write and audit code. Tasks shrink from hours to minutes. Expectations soar as automation rises, ready to adapt or get left behind. Everybody's job's in danger? It is how you adapt to it, says a 40-something techie in a GCC setting. When he started, developers wrote all code from scratch with help from Stack Overflow. Then large language models arrived and changed everything with natural language interfaces. Now you simply prompt the AI and receive custom boilerplate code without building from zero. You can connect an existing codebase and ask AI to crawl it for bugs in seconds. That task once took hours for a developer to complete manually, but this convenience raises expectations across the board. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Claude, and Windsurf are leading the charge. Windsurf, co-founded by Varun Mohan, just joined Google in a $2.4 billion deal. It came amid OpenAI's $3 billion bid for another coding startup. According to a techie, there is a new model every week on Hugging Face. In just one weekend, a fresh AI model can outpace its predecessor. Developers can choose from multiple AI tools to write code today. A programmer's life has three main activities: coding, collaborating, and admin tasks. If programming took 100 hours before, AI now cuts it to about 75 hours. Collaboration still requires human communication for client requirements, and administrative tasks like emails remain part of the workflow. No job will disappear entirely. 30 to 50% of tasks will be automated. That means you could complete the same work in half the time. Meanwhile, the world is getting more techified every day. Companies spent 3% of budgets on technology a decade ago. Today, that number has climbed to 4.5% and continues rising. Demand for tech skills remains strong, so tech jobs won't vanish. Individuals must upskill continually to stay relevant and billable. The pace of change means everyone must embrace lifelong learning. Staying ahead requires curiosity, flexibility, and constant adaptation. Final recommendations. 1. Continuously upgrade your skills to stay ahead of automation trends. 2. Focus on collaboration and client relationship skills that AI cannot replace. 3. Embrace AI tools as productivity enhancers rather than job threats. And 4. Stay curious and adaptable. Continuous learning is your greatest career insurance. Want to explore and know more about careers? Subscribe to our EduJob360 YouTube videos. Wishing you a bright and successful future. Team EduJob360.